Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Audi Q5 sun visor clip. First, gather your essential tools, a small flathead screwdriver and the new replacement visor clip. Make sure the new clip is specifically designed for your Audi Q5 model to ensure a perfect fit. Working in a well-lit area will also make the process much easier and safer for you. Let's get started. Now let's remove the old clip. Using your small flathead screwdriver, gently pry open the cover of the existing visor clip. Once the cover is open, you will see one screw. Unscrew it completely. After removing the screw, carefully pull the entire old clip straight out from the headliner. It should come out without too much force. With the old clip removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new visor clip and carefully align it with the opening in the headliner. Gently push the new clip firmly into place until it seats properly and feels secure. Then, insert the single screw and tighten it until the clip is held firmly. Do not over-tighten. Great job! Now for the final check. Move your sun visor up and down and try to clip it into the new holder. Ensure that the clip holds the visor securely and that there's no wobbling. Your sun visor should now be fully functional and stable. You've successfully replaced your Audi Q5 sun visor clip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.